All right, guys and gals, Anthony Speciale here with Speciale Analysis. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today is the unveiling of my product. Wouldn't call it necessarily a service, indicator technology, if you want to call it that. Something I've worked on for about a dozen years or so, invested tens of thousands of hours in R&D and hundreds of thousands of dollars in the technology itself to make trading as easy as humanly possible for the retail trader. Listen, I understand all the technicals. I've taught all the technicals. I know how to read price action. I've been doing this for a dozen years. Most of you are not as crazy as I am and not willing, I shouldn't say not willing, but just don't have the stamina to put in the time, the effort, energy. I mean, listen, I committed my life to this. But in doing so, I realized that most retail traders are going to fail because they just don't have it in them to make the commitment. They have spouses, they have children, they have jobs. I mean, listen, the list goes on and on and on and on. So what I've created, this software, this technology, creates a couple things. For one, it changes traditional candlesticks or Renko bars into what I call SA bars, Speciale Analysis bars. Now, these bars uniquely represent the actual price action, but they print very, very differently, creating a very clean looking chart and a very specific pattern that triggers an entry. So all you have to do is understand the bar pattern. There's only one. Understand what's called the profit band, that gold wave behind the bars, when and where to enter, when and where to place a stop, and I will teach you my exact trade strategy. Now, why am I going to do that? Because I want to make this as easy as humanly possible. You can apply whatever risk management strategy you choose to, but I'm going to teach you mine. Why? Because it's about paying yourself and protecting yourself. Nobody went broke paying themselves and protecting themselves. So for me, the most important thing is to teach you all how to pay yourself and protect yourself as quickly and efficiently as humanly possible. So let's take a closer look here at the chart. You can see the trend changed right here. Right? There's a red candle that prints automatically with the software. The trend has gone from what was once a uptrend to a confirmed downtrend. Now, that does not mean to blindly enter the market, okay? We've just shifted in a different direction. So what do we wait for? We wait for an impulse followed by a correction. The correction into the profit band, particularly a candle that extends beyond, and it could just be the wick, but extends beyond the profit band, is where the trigger is encountered. Now, notice this particular candle. Okay, you can see small body in the middle, substantial wick above, substantial wick below. This is the candle that triggers the entry. Okay, that candle has to extend beyond the profit band. It closed right here. This is where we enter the trade. We place our stop just one tick above, so we're only risking from the close of this candle to the top of this candle. And for myself personally, I set up a 1-to-1 target, a 2-to-1 target, and a 3-to-1 target. So the risk here was 20 ticks. So the first profit was achieved right here, where $200 was captured by selling one of 3 contracts. The second target, the 2-to-1, was achieved right here, achieving a $400 profit. So we're up $600. And target number 3 was achieved right here, adding us a $600 win on that third and final contract. So 200 plus 400 plus 600 equals $1,200 profit. Okay. A 5-year-old can identify the change in color, the impulse, the correction, the very specific candle that triggers the trade, what the amount of the risk is, duplicate it once, target 1, duplicate it twice, target 3, duplicate it 3 times, target 3. I'm sorry, target 1, target 2, target 3. Very, very simple. 200 bucks, 400 bucks, $600, $1,200 total in a matter of less than a half an hour. Okay. I can assure you that most of you watching this video today, if you went to your day job, you did not earn yourself $1,200 inside of approximately 30 minutes. Now, this is just with 3 contracts. Okay. 1 to exit at target 1, 2, and 3. If you want to trade with 6 contracts, you'd be looking at $2,400. If you want to trade with 9 contracts, you'd be looking at $3,600. Listen, the account size that you have and the risk tolerance you have is completely up to you. For me personally, this was about building something that was so simple that we can teach the next generation how to trade with complete and utter ease. So listen, during this inaugural launch, I am offering an annual access at a discounted price and a unlimited access at a discounted price. I will take that discounted price away after 30 days. So if you're watching this video, if you're seeing this video, if this looks simple enough to you, which it really should, I encourage you to reach out to me. We'll have a one-on-one discussion. I can further go into an explanation, show you a handful of different examples of how this transpires. And then I can get you started literally within a matter of a couple hours setting up your account. So Anthony Speciale here, Speciale Analysis. You can reach me at any time, info@specialeanalysis.com. And I look forward to seeing your success using this software and technology. I'll catch you in the next video.